I'm going to America to look at the manufactured housing industry to see if we could adapt that affordable housing typology for Australia. We look at manufactured housing as being a bit of a stigmatised or daggy housing typology, but the reality is it's quite an innovative and interesting house type to look at. It's got a really interesting land use and planning as well as construction system. So as part of the Byera Hadley, I'll be going over next year to travel from LA to Chicago via the East Coast, looking at different manufactured housing estates, the communities and residents, looking at the providers, the manufacturers and the retailers and how the whole system works together.